Hello, Tech Fam. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the hottest leaks about the Nothing Phone 3, the upcoming flagship that's already making news with the AI ambitions and bold design. Let's break down everything we know so far, including the launch date, specs, and why this phone could be a game changer. First up, when is the Nothing Phone 3 dropping? According to leaks, Nothing is sticking to its July release pattern. The Phone 1 and Phone 2 both launched in July, and insiders predicts that the Phone 3 will follow the suit of July 2025. But here's the twist. A leaked email from CEO Carl Pei hinted at a landmark launch of Q1 2025, which turned out to be the Phone 3A and 3A Pro. So mark your calendars. July is when the true flagship arrives. Nothing signature transparent designs and glyph LEDs are back, but with a twist. Leaks suggest a revamped glyph layout and a sleeker metal and glass build complete with premium flagships. The Phone 3 might also pack a 6.77-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 3000 nits peak brightness, perfect for outdoor use. Plus, rumors point to an asymmetrical camera module to the Pro model, though fans are split on its divisive look. Under the hood, the Phone 3 is rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset paired with a 16GB RAM and a 512GB storage. But the real headline, AI-powered software. Carl Pei leaked email confirms the Phone 3 will debut breakthrough innovations in UI, aiming to create tech that knows you and boost creativity. Think smarter voice assistants, adaptive workflows, and maybe even generative AI tools. Nothing's stepping up its camera game. Leaks point to a triple 50 megapixel setup, including the main sensor, ultra wide, and a periscope telephoto lens with a 3x optical zoom. This could finally put Nothing on par with giants like Google and Samsung, plus expected AI enhanced photo processing and 4K video recording across all lenses. Battery life. The Phone 3 might pack a 53,000 mAh cell with 50 watts wired and 20 watts wireless charging. Fans are also hoping with QI2 support for MagSafes like accessories. As for pricing, expect a bump from the phone's to $599 tags. Insiders speculate $800 or under to stay competitive. So it's the Nothing Phone 3 worth the hype. With the bold design, AI smarts, and flagship spec, it's shaping up to be a serious contender. Let me know in the comments, are you excited or is the Nothing over promising? Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We'll be first to break official launch news. Until next time, stay techy.